Hey guys, welcome to week 5. Unfortunately, my allergies are acting crazy today. That's the unfortunate part. Fortunate part is what I wanted to do was recreate this. This is a responsive resume that I had my library class do, and I was just going to recreate it for our class. However, since my allergies are kind of crazy and I wasn't able to finish my videos for my design class, I said, you know what? I listened to these and they're fine for our class as well. So what I posted 2 videos. These 2 videos go over the HTML and the CSS to make this happen. Um, and I explained in the videos how to make this happen as well. I wasn't going to add many new things because when I did a survey based off of our live meeting last week, I kind of want to make sure, I kind of wanted to do a review just to make sure that we are understanding everything that we've gone over so far. I'm also going to post a presentation in here. I wanted to post it to where in a certain way. So I'm actually trying to still figure out how to do that. But the presentation pretty much goes over what we should know now and just a few new things. And it's just a presentation that I created and do with my day course that I teach web design in, and I feel like it's relevant for here. So it's kind of like a refresher and breaks down what we should know and even some stuff that we didn't go over that you need to know. So that'll be posted as well. So in this video, though, what it's going to go over are classes and more. We're going to have more classes that you're going to create, a little bit of advanced classes where you're using dual classes. And it's just really a basic resume site. These videos used to be private, and it was only for this small class at the library, but I just made them public for you guys and anyone else now who wants to enjoy it. Um, but it goes, there's some spans, and it also is going to section each area off. There is a file inside of the folder. I think it's resources, and in that file, it's going to be a JPEG of what this looks like, just so that you can see um, your way ahead mapped out. And then it goes over, so the HTML, of course, the structure is going to be solid, but it also goes over Google Fonts um, that you can use inside of your document. The files that I give you are it has the resources and the images that were used to create this. And then, so then it's going to go over classes and your CSS just a little bit more. Now, when I teach this class in the library, the stuff that it goes over, I'm actually teaching it in 2-hour sessions. So I have 2 hours to teach the HTML portion and 2 hours to teach the CSS portion. And they get it, which is kind of cool because these are people who have never tested a day in their life. So I'm like, maybe, just maybe, I just want to try this out with you guys and see, because if you get this amount of information in that particular time, and you get it with understanding, you guys have something that the library didn't have. You had a base where we've gone, this is week 5, so we've had 4 weeks of HTML and a mix of CSS instruction. So this really should come easy for you guys. So the newest piece are the responsive pieces. And then what we'll do this week when we meet for class is use that time to talk about some of the things that may have, that you have questions on and things like that. And if you can't make the class, then let me know and maybe we can do a separate session. Um, or maybe you're one of those people who you just really, really just understand this stuff and you get it well, and that's fine as well. So this one has floats, as you can see. So we're gonna go over that, and I think in this video, I can't remember now if I went really deep in the floats. I think I did though. That's kind of one of the bases. But if I didn't, I have other videos on floats and stuff like that that I may post in here as well. But it really goes over pretty much everything I wanted to go over this week, the layout elements, the float layout, sitemap. I'm not sure if it goes over sitemap, but if it doesn't, we'll go over that. That's like a 2-second video for that. Yeah, so I think pretty much, but I did want to get on here and get my voice in here just to talk to you. And if you notice, I'm talking extremely slow because like I said, I don't know what's reacting, my allergies or whatever, but as soon as it reacts, if I, breathe a little too hard, I also have asthma and everything is reacting today. So, on that note, I just wanted to, like I said, get my voice out here, say hey to you, and then just let you know that. So these are they're 3 years old. Yeah, the videos are 3 years old, but everything is relevant to what I wanted to go over with you anyway. So it kind of happened to be a blessing. So I gave you all the files. They're in a zip file. So go through this, please, and recreate this. And this isn't an assignment. What this is an understanding. And this is what's going to help you understand, um, web from this point on, because next week we're going a little more advanced, a little more, deeper into it. But this should be, I'm hoping this serves as a refresher, as well as, and it's actually a project that you're doing from start to finish with me. And you have, like I said, all the resources are in there. All the images that are used are in that folder as well. So go through it with me in the video. And it should get you, if you're in the middle or in limbo and kind of not understanding some things, this should get you there. So, but please communicate with me and let me know, what's going on. What do I need to explain a little further? What part are you lost on? Because my goal is to get you through this, but not just to get you through it for a grade or not just to get for any. I really want you to understand it. And if you don't understand it, then I want the opportunity to explain it to you, to help you understand it. All right, so have fun with this. You can make it yours and make it your own colors and stuff like that if you want. And if you want to share it with me, that would be cool. Share it inside of our cafe, so I can see what you created or what you've done with it, and your spin on it. Otherwise, that's all I have for you guys this week. Thank you so much for listening to me talk, and I will see you guys Monday night.